You've already built your store with CreateMyStore by Vitals, and it looks great. But now, you've got some other products in your catalog. Maybe you added them manually or they were there before you used the store builder. What are you going to do with those? Well, you can give those products the same professional high-converting layout as your AI-generated pages. And it takes about 30 seconds. This is super useful when you want all of your products to have that same polished look, when you need persuasive descriptions and conversion-focused sections, or when you just want results fast without rebuilding everything from scratch. And here's the best part. This all happens on your existing product. No duplication, no messing around with inventory or variants, and your URL stays exactly the same. So let me show you how it works. Here's a product I added manually to my store. Let's look at it on the storefront first. It's got the essentials, but it's not doing much to actually sell the product. Now let's look at it in the Shopify product editor. See this? I've got a really long title, typical dropshipping style, and a super short description. Barely anything's there. A few photos, and that's pretty much it. If I scroll down to the metafields section, it's completely empty. And up here, you can see this product is using the default product template. Now compare that to the products I generated with AI. Those use a special template with key benefit sections, product taglines, persuasive descriptions, upsells, and all of these sections pulling from metafields. Way more compelling. The default template just doesn't have all of that stuff, but we're about to change that. Alright, let's generate a new AI product page for this existing product. Go to Vitals, then the AI Store Builder dashboard. You'll see your list of AI generated product pages right here. Now, click Generate New Product Page with AI. Next, click Select Product from Catalog and search for the product you want to generate. I'm going to pick this one. Quick tip, make sure your product has at least 3 images and something in the description. The AI works better with a little bit to go on. Now, this part is really important. See this checkbox that says Rewrite Product Title and Description with AI? Pay attention here. If you check this box, the AI is going to replace your existing product title and description in Shopify with brand new AI-generated content. This action cannot be undone, so only check this if you really want the AI to completely rewrite the content. If you leave it unchecked, the AI will generate all new content and store it in metafields, but your original title and description stay exactly as they are. For this demo, I'm gonna check it because I want the full AI treatment, but just make sure you know what you're choosing here. Alright, click Generate Product Page, and now the AI is working its magic. It's creating content, it's building out those conversion-focused sections, the whole deal. And done. So let's check it out. Wow, look at this. The title is way better. It's clean and it's professional. We've got this key benefits section right here, supports early education, encourages hands-on learning, ideal for ages 3 to 6. We've also got a full persuasive description that actually matches the style of my other AI-generated products. Everything looks consistent. Scroll down and you'll see all these product-specific sections, features, benefits, FAQs. This looks like a real professional product page now. Let's go back to the Shopify product editor and see what changed behind the scenes. Okay, so first, the title got rewritten and the description got replaced with the AI-generated one. Remember, that's because I checked that box earlier. If I hadn't, these would still be the same as before. Now scroll down to metafields. Look at this. All of these fields are now populated with AI-generated content. Before, this was completely empty. Now we've got product taglines, key benefits, images for different sections, FAQs. Everything the AI created is stored right here in these fields. And here's another big change. Look at the template. This product is now using the AI-generated product page template instead of the default one. Now, if you want, obviously you can switch back to the default template. So let me just show you how that looks like. See, it goes back to the basic layout. The description is still there because that's stored in the product itself, but you lose all those beautiful sections that pull from the metafields. Not nearly as good. So I'm going to switch it back to the AI-generated template now, which is way better for conversions. Alright, let's wrap this up. You can generate new AI product pages for your existing products anytime, even after your store is already live. Your existing products get enhanced, not duplicated. The AI-generated template keeps everything consistent and professional across your whole store, and all of that persuasive content lives in metafields, while your layout lives in the theme. So go ahead, give your existing products that AI upgrade. They deserve it.